Hello, all of my Nutcracker friends. I want to unbox my Nutcracker. I just sliced the top open. This is what he looks like. Wow. Wow. Look at this guy. Ooh. This is crazy. Look at the size of him. Oh my gosh. I'm going to put him down for a second. Okay. Wow. Whew. It's not so easy to get out, is it? Oh. Okay. I think this might be the arms and the arms. And here's the base. This is heavy. And it's electronic. The whole guy lights up later. Okay. I thought this would be easy. Not so much. Woo! All right. The feet, the legs, and the base. He needs a little touch up, and I haven't even touched him. He's got a little scratch on his toe. All right. All right, let's see. I took my knife and let it inside after I unboxed. But hopefully I can get it open. There we go. There we go. Okay. Well, look at this. Okay, we got some electronics. That's one of his arms. And his other arm. And this is his torso. It's so pretty. And all the buttons light up. This is going to be so fun. All right, I'm going to set this up and I'm going to prime him today. And I will be putting that whole process into our group, the Nutcracker Paint Along. So if you are part of the group, you'll be able to see it today. If not, it's only $10 to join. And the classes are November 12th, 13th, and 14th at 7 p.m. You don't have to be present. I'd love you to be present and have a lot of fun with me. But you can always watch the replays after. So as long as you're part of the group and you're in that Facebook group, it's private. It's just for those of you that have become part of the group class. And you'll get to see all of this. So I am about to do the spray painting of this guy. See you soon. Okay, so here we are getting ready to prime a Nutcracker. So this is pretty easy even for an old lady like me. You just squeeze it and it comes right off. You know, the old screwdriver method just was a lot of work. But this is easy. Here we go. This is from Walmart. I'm going to shake it, because they say to shake it. Shake it, shake it. We're going to start off with the head of the Nutcracker. And then we'll move over to his feet And then we'll move over to the body, and then we'll catch the arms later. So here we go. I tried to get them in the shade as much as I could. It's about 85 degrees here today at the end of October. And silly me, I'm in a sweatshirt. It's kind of crazy, right? Anyhow, here we go. Very easy. Woo! He's spinning and spinning and spinning. Oh, I have plastic gloves on because I don't want to ruin the manicure that I already painted over a gazillion times. Right, Janelle? All right, can everybody see what I'm doing here? Spraying this little guy. Of course, I'm spraying white on white, so you want to make sure you get it. I have a little turntable here that I put him on. It makes life easy. All right. Get his face. His whiskers. Oh, he's got a lot of hair. That is fun. Voila. Step one for the top. Let's move over to his feet. Okay. He already has a little chip on his toe. But let me start at the bottom. Hopefully you can see me. Yep, you can. Slip off. Leg. That extra. Wondering what I'm doing out here, spray painting. Looking good. And now we're moving over to the bodice. His body. Make sure you can see, okay? Here we go. Now, there are lights here that do light up, but what I'm going to do, instead of taping them off and going through all that trouble, I'm just going to get a baby wipe and I'm going to clean off the primer when I'm done. I think that'll be fine. There's his arms. I guess that's all I got to hold on to. Here we go. I think I'm going to put him on top of the box to dry. And here's the other arm. Now, after he dries, I will make sure that I gave it a good enough coat because I feel like I went real quick. But I'd rather do a very light coat and have no drips than to do a thick coat and have it all drippy. So, but I'll keep y'all posted on whether I go back and do a second coat or not, okay? But that's it. I don't even know what it's 6 minutes. It took me 6 minutes to prime this guy. He looks pretty good. Give you one last look. Here we go. The head, the feet, the legs, and the torso. All right, I'm gonna get this arm put away, and let me know if you have any questions, if I can help you at all, but I haven't even used one can yet, so I might do another coat, but I'll let you know. Bye-bye.